The MIG145 Pro Welding Machine is an excellent choice for beginners thanks to its Synergic Control feature that simplifies the welding process by automatically adjusting settings based on the selected wire diameter and material thickness. This versatile welder functions as a 3-in-1 machine, offering gasless MIG, MMA, and Lift TIG modes, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from home DIY projects to more demanding outdoor repairs. The large LED display provides clear and easy-to-read information, allowing users to adjust settings conveniently without removing their welding helmet. Weighing only 9.5 pounds, the MIG145 Pro is both lightweight and compact, equipped with a shoulder strap for easy portability, making it ideal for jobs on the go. With innovative app control, users can remotely adjust settings and save their favorite configurations, adding a layer of convenience and personalization to the welding experience. Featuring a digital MCU and high-integrity circuit design, this welder ensures stable and high-performance welding, while the smart fan reduces noise and extends the machine's lifespan.